All right, today we're just going to look at this camping table and talking to you about it. This is awesome because it just comes in this little bag and then it just pops up like a camping chair or anything else. It has this basket underneath, which is really handy, and then you just have to put a couple poles on it. But again, really simple installation because it just punches right in. And so it goes on really quick and easy. We know because you're getting this in real time. That one didn't want to go. Is it upside down?
I don't know. Probably.
There we go. So make sure you don't have it upside down. So it'll pop right on in. And then the table part is just these cool slats that just roll up inside the bag, but then it's really simple to get it on because you just stick it in there and it just punches in.
It's elastic right here, so it will stretch into place, so it's easy to assemble.
So that was less than a minute for setup, and it just doesn't take a lot of space. Nice little camping table.